Runs. Okay. Didn't know that. I didn't even know we could remove this one, but yeah. Learning always something new. So yeah. Welcome to our YouTube channel again. This is Ethan Kosa from Code Trading, and today we have a very interesting product from Bang Olufsen. It's the Master Control Panel 5500. It's a very interesting product from Bang Olufsen. I think it's the biggest controller Bang Olufsen have made. It's very interesting, the different materials they have used. They have used plastic, metal, and I think this is a type of glass piece for the LED display here. So today we're gonna do a deassembling process on this one. And the Master Control Panel 5500 is designed by the famous designer Jacob Jensen. It has been released in 1986. And the remote controller is weigh around 1 kilograms, and the dimension is 110, 22, and 300 millimeters. Today we're gonna do what we're best to do. We're gonna do a deassembly process on it and see what's inside this remote controller. And the remote controller has a input for the batteries. I think there's three batteries compartment in here. We also have the type number is 2048, and we also have the serial number. And the most interesting part of this remote control is this flap. You can customize it. You can use a Dolby number and set the clock, and you can do a lot of things. And one of the most recent defective parts on this one is those hinges here. Over the years, the hinges can be defective, and yeah, it can break and broke, and yeah, it can be defective. So yeah, we're gonna do a deassembly process. It's actually my first time to do a deassembly process for Master Control Panel. Master Control Panel has 5,000, 5,500, 6,500, and 7,000. No, I don't think they have 7,000. Maybe it had, but I'm not sure. So let's begin. So first thing we need to do, I think we can maybe we can remove the hinges. I'm not sure how to do it, but maybe we can. I thought we can pull it out this way, but I'm not sure about it. We can pull it. I'm not sure, but let's try to see if we can. I have located some screws down here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws we can screw on. So let's begin with that. So just a regular screwdriver. So I think this remote is also very old. It's actually replacement for the Master Control Panel 5000, and this is the replacement for it. So there's not too much thing underneath under the hood, but let's try to see what we have. So we have the screws, and let's see if we can remove this one too. Here we go. And the screws finally removed. Let's take some safety first. This is my first time. I don't know what to expect, but let's try to see if we can open it. Here we go. And here we go. We have some different parts underneath. So let's try to see if we can remove the cables. Let's try to see if we can remove this one. And this is actually in very good condition. There's no battery leak on this board, so that's look very good. So boom, 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 boom. I'm not even sure how to remove all this, but let's try to see if we can do this and see if we can remove the PCB boards. Cable here. Remove this. No, it's still attached to the batteries. I'm not even sure if we can check it out, but let's see. So yeah, this is my first time to dig in a master control panel. And here we go. This must be display. Yeah, this is the text. Here we go. So I couldn't even find the service manual for this one, but we will try to see if we can look it. So let's try to see if we can remove the screw here. And this one is actually also fully functional. It just has some cosmetic issues on the metal piece. Here we go. And this is actually one piece, what I can see. Let's try to cut up these stripes. Here we go. Boom. And let's also remove there we go. Can we remove that? Here we go. So here is the complete, and let's also remove this one. Here we go. And this is for the track, CD, radio. And here is all the LEDs, and we have the LED part. So if we could see if we could remove the keyboard. Oh, the keyboard is removed. Here we go. Here's the metal hinges, but I'm not sure if we can. Oh, okay, the mechanism is moving like this. I'm not sure if we can remove it. Maybe this is it's glued on, but let's take care of that later. Let's see if we can remove these. Must be the ER to the PCB board 14 and the other one right and left side. Can we remove this one? Okay, this is also glued, what I can see. Can we remove the... Let's see what we have. I'm not sure if we can remove... Very interesting. This is the wheel. Let's try to see if we can remove the wheel. Here we go. Some other parts. Let's see if we can remove it. No. Okay, you can even see the bearings. It's coming out, but I'm not sure if this is the correct way to do it. No. Stuck also. Let's lay it down. Okay, so what we have here, we have the back cover, the PCB board 12, must be the main board. But let's see if we can remove. Can we remove the glass part? Must also. Yeah. Also glued on. Here we go. It's coming off. Just be gently. Yeah. I think it'll be great if you use a heat gun. It will be much easier to do it. But here we go. Oh. Okay. Okay, there are some hinges we can grabbing around here. I didn't know that. So here in here there's some hinges. We just need to wire right here. Here we go. Here's the other part. I don't know what this is. Just a plastic piece. So the next step is we're gonna remove the glass. I don't know if this is glass. Yeah, it should be glass. Here we go. Here's the front glass. It's in fully great condition, but has a little chip here. But otherwise, it's in good condition. I'm gonna put it here. So yeah, it would be great if we can remove the numbers. Go, and here's the back cover. Do we have here? Okay, so let's try to figure out how Bang Olufsen has set up these in here. Let's try to figure that out. Must be done something how they have installed these numbers. Okay, maybe we can try to see if we can move it this direction. No. Maybe we can. I think we're gonna break these four. Yeah, I think we broke one. So we need to figure out how Bang Olufsen has installed these four, and even this one, how they have managed to put. So this wheel, I don't even think can come off. Yep, here we go. Nice and easy. So here's the wheel. I didn't even know we could remove that. But if your wheel has some issues, I think you can drop some oil on the bearings and you can it will be run smoothly. Runs okay. Didn't know that. I didn't even know we could remove this one, but yeah, learning always something new. So yeah, they've just click it on like that, and yeah, it's the wheel. Yeah. So how did Bang Olufsen manage to remove case? Maybe this is one piece of part. I don't know, but they have done something to install this. Okay, it's gonna take some time, I think. Need to figure out how. Here we go, maybe. Here we go. Just need to press down. And here is all the numbers. I think I'm not sure we're gonna remove all these numbers, but yeah. So it's pressed. This one should be pressed down. And what about this one? Also down. I'm not sure. Yeah. So always learning something new. Here we go. So now we have removed the complete, very dusty, complete mainboard. Look like this. And we have the 15, 12, yeah, and there's no part for this one, so we're gonna put this one here. And yeah, I think we're gonna put this upside down and all the numbers gonna fall down. Very satisfying. Here we go. Here's the complete front cover in plastic and all the numbers. Yeah, so we are actually done. Let's bring all the parts at the table and see what we have. So right now we are done for the Beomaster, not the Beomaster, I'm always saying Beomaster, but Master Control Panel 5500. We have the complete plastic front part in fully working condition. We just broke this piece, but it's still functional. I didn't know how to remove the covers, but you just need to press it down, and also this one, it will be released. And we also have tons of buttons. It will be sold like this. If anybody needs some buttons, you can reach out here. And we have the ER sensor, receiver, and we have the numbers for the LED indicator. And here. And here we have the wheel. Very satisfaction if you can here they have used some it's like fidget spinner. You can use this one, but yeah. And we have the metal flap for the programming. I'm not sure if we can remove this. I don't want to damage it. I'm not sure we can. Normally we should be able to pull it out, but it's pretty stuck, and there's nearly no room for putting in a flat screwdriver. But we can try, but I'm not sure. But it will not be on this video. I'm a little bit afraid we're gonna break this. So yeah. And we have the complete mainboard with the top part, the LED, and PCB board 15, 12, and we have the buttons. It's a little bit dusty, but it's still fully functional. And the last one, we have the button piece. So thank you for watching, and it was really great education how to deassembling the. Oh, we also missed the glass piece and the front cover. So yeah, it was very nice to see how to deassembling the master control panel 5500. It was very interesting, the parts and all to see how to manage the process. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.